Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable these sticky keys on your Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows logo. This is Start when you hover over it, and you want to go ahead and select Settings. You want to select the accessibility option on the left panel here. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Interaction and select Keyboard. So go ahead and left click on that. And it says Sticky Keys. Press keyboard shortcut to use multiple keys. And go ahead and toggle that to the on position if you want to turn it on. Otherwise, turn it off. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.